Coming down. The fast-moving floodwater giant waves,
Small creek.
पार्वती नदी
Oh, they're going through their
On November 21st, 2013, the Philippines woke up to fear. Before sunrise, the sky was already heavy with black clouds. By dawn, the storm unleashed its full force. Rain hammered the streets without mercy, turning familiar roads into dark, churning rivers. The water rose quickly, spilling over drainage systems, flooding alleys, and swallowing entire neighborhoods. 28 buildings, homes where families once laughed, and hotels once filled with travelers, were now surrounded, trapped by the flood. In low-lying areas, the water's intensity was brutal, sweeping through like an unstoppable tide. Cars floated like toys, carried away by the current. Some residents, waist-deep in icy water, pushed against the flood with desperate strength, trying to save their vehicles. Every push was a race against time, every second a battle. Inside homes, furniture, clothing, and memories drifted from room to room. Outside, massive trees were ripped from the earth and carried away. The air was filled with the sound of rushing water, splashing footsteps, and distant cries for help. Rescue teams fought to reach the trapped, their boats battling waves in streets that no longer existed. Sirens echoed through the rain, a grim reminder that danger was everywhere. On that day, November 21st, 2013, the Philippines was not just fighting a storm, it was fighting for breath, for safety, for survival. And as the waters rose higher, the question became terrifyingly clear: where does the land end and the flood begin?
Events.